Hello student, Namaste Sabanlai. Welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I am going to deal about the insectivorous plant. That is, I am going to provide you the trick to remember the examples of insectivorous plant, that is, which catches insects for nitrogen deficient. So for the insectivorous plant, the trick is three donkey catches insect. That is, insectivorous plant catches insects. So here 3D U N, all the capitals, and this insect means insectivorous plant catches insects, so there is no use of this insect. So in first we have 3D, that is D. So D means Drosera sundew, common name. In second again D, here D means Dionaea, Dionae, Dionaea. In third we have again D, so D means Distidia, and this Distidia is non-insectivorous plant, non-insectivorous pitcher plant, In fourth we have U, so U means Utricularia, that is bladderwort. In fifth we have N means Nepenthes, that is pitcher plant. In sixth we have C, so C means Cephalotus, that is flycatcher. Here, this all about the examples of insectivorous plant, that is, which catches insects, and this Distidia is non-insectivorous like Nepenthes. This Distidia is same like Nepenthes, but this is non-insectivorous pitcher plant. So this all about today, and if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. So this much for today. Thank you for the class.